Alright, WC1's up here at 44 and I-4 eastbound. We got the bird coming, time to let our side. Don't light it up yet.
Got that.
Endo, hush.
Abby, I lit up, starting it down. We're going 90, still eastbound on I-4. We're on Orange Camp now, headed westbound.
Just pass MK. Yep.
Nope, coming up to it now.
Quiet.
20's gonna be set up at Blue Lake with sticks if it comes northbound.
I thought we just made a right on Blue Lake.
20 cents will stick it. It's westbound on Taylor. Woo! Yes, sir.
Okay, the 2 units with the vehicle, stay there with it, and let's start getting perimeter set up in there.
It's right at Taylor, pointing kind of northwest at Ben Oak. Sheriff's Office for the K-9! Now it's something else, the dog, you'll be bit! Come here. Hey, come here. Endo, here. Sit.
Everyone, you see us right here?
Yeah, give us a channel. You might have something, that house to your right. There's like a wall that's behind on the backyard, or somebody laying up against the wall, maybe two.
Yeah, he's real hot right in here. There's a small picket fence right in front of me, 10 feet. The dog's trying to get over it.
Yeah, if you can go right, that house to your right, I don't know if you can get to it or not, but he's like right behind the wall. There's a shed, and like right behind that shed right there, but there's like a wall behind there. It's going to drop down.
All right, give us just a minute. Let's get some patrol cars in on the other side of that. Everyone, if we can get some in there. Everyone, I'm holding my arm out to make sure I'm at the right zone.
Yeah, if you follow that wall in the direction you were initially going, so that you would go behind the house, just follow that wall around until when you get to the right, they're right there in that corner.
All right, I'm gonna move. All right, let me see your hands. No, put your hands up, do it now, you'll be bit. Walk to me now! I don't either. I'm gonna move in. They're right behind this bush. Right behind this bush. You need to crawl out, you're gonna get bit. Watch him, man. They're popping that bad, buddy. Right here, right here, right here. Back him out. Over here. Back him out. Or go in. Walk over here. Get your hands up. Both of you get on the ground. Lay down. Do it now. Put your hands out. Coming to your right. Hands behind your back. Brad, I need a set of cuffs. Put your hands behind your back. Two secure, male and female. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you.